Hello everyone, and welcome to Day 6 of the Aveeros Financials tutorial series. Today, we begin our journey into the Accounts Receivable (AR) module, Part 1. This module is vital for managing all money owed to your company from the sale of goods or services. Before we can start creating individual customer records, we must first configure the core base settings that determine how your AR processes work, including sales territories, sales team setup, customer classifications, and freight configurations. These settings act as the backbone of your AR operations, ensuring that invoices, payments, and reports are aligned with your internal policies and external compliance needs. Configuring core AR module settings. To begin, navigate to the Setup menu, then select Receivables. This section contains all the parameters required to configure the Accounts Receivable module. These must be defined before you can start using customer-related features or processing transactions. First, define Territory Setup, organizing sales by region. Go to Setup, then Receivables, then Territory. 1. Click Add New/Edit button. 2. Enter a territory code, test. 3. Enter a description, for example test description. 4. Click Save. This setup allows you to group customers by geographic region. It supports reporting by territory, assigning regional sales teams, and managing performance by location. Next step, we will define our receivable posting accounts. Go to Setup, then Receivables, then GL account posting code. Press New/Edit button. Under GL posting code field, write test, and in description write test class. Under Sales Discount GL, you will search Discount GL to attach here. For example, Discount GL posting code is 530103001. Revenue account code is 410101001. /our account code is 120301020. Cash account code is 120901001. Write-off account code is 530103007. Prepaid account code is 120301010. Sales return account code is 410101002. Early payment discount 530103001. Payment charges account 530107001. Discount charges account 530103001. Freight charges account 530107001. Labor charges account 530107001. Then save it. Under the same setup of Accounts Receivable, you have your Customer Class Setup window. Click Add New. 1. Write Class Code Test CL. 2. Write and Description Test Class. 3. Select the Posting Code Test Class. 4. Click Save. Customer classes let you apply different rules to groups of customers, like default payment terms, credit limits, or pricing structures based on business type or strategic value. Create Salesperson. Go to Setup, then Receivable, then Salesperson. You can fill whatever the details are here. For example, I am just filling some details. Create new one by writing code 1257 as employee code. 1. Like name test ABC. 2. Address test address. 3. City Lahore. 4. Province Punjab. 5. Group 1 is liquid medicine. 6. Group 2 is eye drops. 7. Territory is national. 8. Phone 1123445676. 9. Phone 2336-665-2521. 10. CNIC 225541789663. 11. Date hired April 30th, 2025. 12. And last status is active. Now save it. Customer Group Setup, Detailed Segmentation. Go to Setup, then Receivables, then Customer Group. 1. Click Add New. 2. Enter a code such as TST. 3. Enter a description, such as Test Group. 4. Click Save. While customer classes provide a broad categorization, customer groups allow further segmentation, offering more control over discounts, analysis, and customer management. Now define receivable terms. Go to Setup, then Receivables, then Receivable Terms. 1. Click Add New. 2. Enter a code such as TBD. 3. Enter a description, such as to be determined. 4. Click Save. Via/freight charges. Go to Setup, then Receivables, then via/freight charges. 1. Click Add New. 2. Enter a via code, such as postal. 3. Enter delivery days, such as 90. 4. Enter the description postal services. 5. Click Save. Freight settings allow you to associate delivery methods with specific charges, which are then automatically applied during invoice creation based on customer selection. Summary and key takeaways. Today we've covered the following foundational elements of the Accounts Receivable module: territory setup, regional sales organization, customer class and group setup, categorization for tailored policies, salesperson setup, automating performance tracking, optional, term setup, accurate and compliant billing, freight setup, applying standardized delivery charges, GL posting code setup, applying for invoice and receipts to GL posting. Configuring these correctly ensures that your AR transactions from invoicing to collections operate smoothly and in line with your company's business rules.